Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you 4 free design apps you can grab right now, and we'll go into that next. So the first one is going to be Canva. This is where I do 99% of my graphics, 100% free. Never use the paid plan, although I am trialing on the premium version right now, and it's pretty sweet. It unlocks a lot of elements and stuff for you. But basically you can create anything you want in Canva. They have all kinds of ready-to-go templates for you, graphics for all the social platforms. You can use custom dimensions. Say you want to make something 900 by 900. You can click Create New Design, and it takes you in the editor just like that. It'll pre-populate stuff that's already around that size. So if you put it in, it just loads it right up. You can exit out of the background. Change the colors easily. All kinds of cool stuff. You can resize stuff. Everything snaps on the canvas, so you can easily get it lined up. You can search for elements here. Say you wanted to use like a palm tree. Boom. All those designs are ready to go for you. Some of these are pro elements like you see here. Those ones you would have to pay $1. If you use them in your design, but they always have a lot of free ones too, so definitely not necessary. So Canva, you're gonna have to play around with it. There's too much that it can do. Awesome tool. Next we're gonna go to Remove.bg. So this one is pretty sweet. You can see what it does right here. You upload an image, and I'll use my classic one if I can find it. Here it is. So this is the classic image, right? It took my brown, removed the background, and what I'm left with is a transparent image. So then you can download that right here, and you can throw that in anywhere. On Canva, you can use it, and all you have is a transparent background. So it's going to make you look a lot better. I use that on my website all the time. I use it in all my graphics almost. So super sweet tool that saves so much time by just dropping a picture in and instantly removing the background for you. Next we have Smartmockups. So what this is going to do is create visual representations of your products. So say you created a course or something. What you can do is select something like multiple devices and pick like this one, for instance. What you'll do is you'll upload it. You can do it from your computer or right from Canva. Looks like they got a native integration now. And you'll find that thing that you want to visualize. So if you looked at the last training for the Chrome extensions, we'll just do that real quick. So remember I showed you that full page screen capture? We're going to do that. So we ran the full page screen capture. We'll download that image. So right there, screencapture.png. Now we'll come over here and upload it. Right there. And now it's going to give us a cool little visualization. So boom. Now we have a cool looking mock-up of our site. And you could put something else on this one. Or if it's a course, I'll usually do like the course outline. So let's see if any of these work. I'm going to blow it up a little bit. See how that looks. That's not bad. So then we have our mock-up, right? We can hit download, and we'll do a high quality image. And now this is also transparent. So we can put this on our website, use it in our marketing and stuff like that. Just super quick, awesome tool. They got different designs you can use. And the last one I wanted to cover was Tiny PNG. So what this does is compresses your images. So before you put them on your website, you want to run them through Tiny PNG. And you can see here it's taken this file from 600 kilobytes down to 168. So it's a 72% reduction. That's just going to increase our load speed massively. So if you do that to all your images, you should be able to massively increase your website's load speed. So hopefully that's helpful. See you guys in the next video.